Okay, we continue and we have for question number 4, the given is 12 CD plus 15C. So we have negative 3C open 4D minus 5. So this is now our final and correct answer. Okay. And then we have question, example number 5. Factorize. Okay, factorize x to the power of 3 or x cubed plus x squared. Okay. So we have this one, the numerical coefficient of it is 1. This one also, the numerical coefficient is also 1. So we don't have to bother now about the numerical coefficient. We just have to check on the literal coefficient x cubed and x squared. Okay, let me ask you this question. This x cubed stands for how many x? X to the power of 3, when you are going to separate it, how many x we can form? 3 times. Very good. 3 times. So there are 3 x's here. And the second one, x squared, it means that there are 2 x's. So that means that the common factor, the highest common factor of x to the power of 3 and x to the power of 2 is x to the power of 2 or x squared. You get it now? Okay. So that is positive 1 divided by positive 1 is simply positive 1, or no need to write down positive 1. Okay, next one. X cubed divided by x squared. What is the rule? What is the rule? Okay, let's have it here. X to the power of 3 is like this. X to the power of 3 divided by x to the power of 2. X to the power of 3 divided by x to the power of 2. What is the answer? Okay, so x to the power of 3 divided by x to the power of 2. This is in the topic indices or exponents. The law of indices and the law of exponents. So x to the power of 3 and x squared. So the first law of indices is when you are multiplying the same base, you are going to add the powers. The second law of indices, or the second rule of exponents or indices, is when you are dividing the common base xx, you are going to subtract the powers. So that means the common base is x, and this one is 3 minus 2. Now take note, you do not interchange it. This is the common problem with the student. The one on top is numerator, and when you rewrite it over here, the exponent in the numerator expression must be written first, and then a minus sign follows with the exponent of the denominator expression, which is 2. So now our final and correct answer is x 3 minus 2 is equal to x to the power of 1, or simply x. Why? Because a variable is understood to have a power of 1. When it stands alone, it is already understood to have a power of 1. So that is x. So now what is left here is x to the power of 3 divided by x squared is x. Okay? And then positive divided by positive equals positive. Okay? That's the one, positive. And then x squared divided by x squared. So our second lot now here is, okay, x squared, this one, x squared divided by x squared. So what is the rule of indices again? The law of indices number 2. What does it state again? It says that you are going to subtract the powers or the exponents or the indices. So that is now x to the power of 2 minus 2. Okay, you get it now? What is the difference between 2 minus 2? What is it again? M1M? Minu harim good, yeah? Minu harim good? Minu harim good? M1M? 2 minus 2 M1M? Ah, very good. What is it? What is it again? I'm sorry. I'm talking in Tokpisin. What is it again? 2 minus 2? Yes, very good. 2 minus 2 is 0. So, x to the power of 0. Uh-oh. Can any one of you here from the audience, and any one of you here from the audience, if you are watching this video of mine in my YouTube channel, Mr. Deli Shoes, I have a very important question for you all. And if you will be able to answer this, I will definitely salute you, and you are indeed excellent in mathematics. Wow, that was so powerful. Okay, anyway, all right. My question is, what is the value when a base is being raised to a power of 0? Because 2 minus 2 equals 0. And what is the value when the base x is being raised to the power of 0? Any students? Grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, grade 10, grade 11, or college students? Answer my question. I need it now. Please give me the answer. What is the value when any base, for example here, the base is x, and it is being raised to a power of 0? What is the value? And justify your answer with the law. What law is it? I don't know. Why are you so quiet now? Why are you so quiet, students? Okay. I don't like my students to be just sitting down there and listening. You need to participate. You are just in the house. Come on. You can you can say whatever you want to say. Okay? What? What is it? Okay, very good. The value is equal to 1. How do we justify this one? With the law. The law of indices, the law of exponents, the law of power. Okay, what did it say? That the law states that any base raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. You get it now? Do you get it now? Very good. Very good. That's what I want from my students. That's what I want. Okay. So this one now, the value is 1. This is 1. 1. Let me have a break first by drinking my water with the lemon. Lemon with ginger. Please protect yourself. Always, this is my natural remedy for Thank God. Thank you, Lord. Okay. Now I have the voice again. Oh my God. Okay. Now, wait. X to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So, x squared divided by x squared is equal to 1. You are not going to write down x to the power of 0. You must always give your answer in a simplified form. So the final answer now for this given expression is x squared open, x plus 1 close. That is the factorized form of the given algebraic expression. Did you get it now? Yeah! I knew it. I knew that you can do it. And I'm pretty sure. I believe in you. I believe that you are going to do well in your grade 8 national examination. I have trust in you. All you need to do is to commit yourself in doing all mathematics exercises. All you need to do is to dedicate your time in mastering mathematics, and all you need to do is to be consistent. To be consistent. You cannot just be doing it now and then the rest of the years you are just going to be roaming around and wasting your time. Don't do that. Okay? All right. Next one. Our last given. Which one are we going? Okay, the last given here. Okay, our last given here is this one. Okay, we have x. This one is very easy actually. You might be thinking that the given expression is a complex one or complicated. No, it is not. It is not at all. Okay, check this one. I'm going to tell this one later for grade 10, but for you, grade 8, I'm not going to make your brain in pain. Okay? So what do you notice here? So this expression, we have x, and then it is actually already factorized. X, and then x plus y, and then x plus y. The negative 2x plus y. So this one, x plus y, and x plus y on the other side, they are the same. Okay, they are the same. This one is already one step before we get our final answer. It has already been factorized. So what you are going to do now is, this is positive x. You just have to combine it with negative 2. Positive x and then negative 2. So that would be now open bracket x minus positive x minus 2. Okay. And then you close bracket. Usually it's like this, huh? One talks PNG, One Talks, Kababayan, Philippines, and students around the world. It's always like this when you have a binomial or two terms, you always have to enclose it brackets or parentheses to separate. Now, what's the next one? The next one is this x plus y and x plus y, they are common, they're the same. So you just have to attach it here, and it will be just copy x plus y, x plus y. Okay, and that's it. That's it. And this is our final and correct answer. So that would be now, how many questions? 6 out of 6. 6 out of 6. Our examples in factorizing algebraic expression. Take note, this is only mainly focused for grade 8 students. Okay? So, I don't want you to bring a higher level to grade grade 10 and grade 12. Otherwise, it might confuse you. Remember that you don't have teachers there in the house. And I hope that your parents are assisting you during this time of your home-based activity. Wherever you are in the world, in Papua New Guinea, in the Philippines, or wherever you are, okay? I know that the education now is more on virtual teaching, okay? So I'm just trying to initiate my own to help most especially the students in Papua New Guinea. Okay, all right. Next one. What is the next? The next one is I am going to give you the activity question for you to do. And then I'm going to check your work later. I mean, in our next video. In our next video, we shall be discussing on evaluating algebraic expression. Okay? So are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, I'll give you 1 minute to copy this one here. Okay, thank you. Okay, so now are you ready for our activity? I will give you at least 8 questions or maybe 10. It depends if we have the space. Okay, ready? Now you have to remember that you can also download this video, and after you have downloaded the video, there's no need for you to be online to watch the video again. So you just watch and then you download again, so that whenever you want to watch the video, you can just watch and then learn. Okay? So now let's come to our activity. So this is our activity, and the activity question is you're going to factorize. Okay, so when you say factorize, you have to factorize it completely, applying all the... Okay, so we have to factorize. I'll give you this first question. 3x minus 6. Number 2, I'll have 60x minus 40xy. Number 3, pi r square minus 2 pi r. Number 4, okay, number 4, you can still see it there. 36p minus 30 PQ. Number 5. Okay, you can still see it. Number 5. X open x plus y minus 7 x plus y. Okay, next one here, number 6. Okay, for number 6, I have 12 a square b plus 8ab square. Number 7, okay, for number 7, I'll have here negative 2a minus 8a square. Number 8, negative x cubed minus x square minus x. Number 9, I'll have 2y x plus y minus x plus y. And finally, number 10. Number 10 question is factorize okay. All right, number 10 question. Only. Okay, what about this number 10 question? I'll give you this. M to the power of 4 minus 3 m to the power of 3. Okay. All right. Now, I have 10 questions for you and activity question for you to do on factorizing algebraic expression. So, you do this one in the house. You have to make sure you finish and you complete it. And then later, in our third video, for the topic algebra, which is evaluating algebraic expression, we shall check this work. Okay, I'm going to present the answer so that you would be able, from the house, you would be able to check your work. Okay, so make sure that you are copying this question. After watching this video, you are going to after watching this video, you are going to answer all these questions and wait for me for the next video, the third video that I'm going to present, and then from there you check your work. Okay. Now, before I will end my session, okay, I would like to leave you with this word for today, for this session. Okay, so the word for today is what is it? Self-discipline. Self-discipline. Okay, my dear students in Papua New Guinea or in the Philippines or any students around the world, whatever grade you are in, self-discipline. Nowadays, the self-discipline must always be coming from you. And you will be the only one to portray on this. Because of the new normal, the new situation that we are having in nowadays, you have to perform also your best. You must also do your part. And that can only be achieved if we have self-discipline. Self-discipline in which you don't need to be told on what to do. You don't need to be supervised. It should be coming from within you, okay? From within you. And do the right thing. Do the right thing that will make you more successful, and that will make you more productive during this isolation or lockdown in wherever you are. Self-discipline. Whatever is the protocols, you must follow. And by following, you have self-discipline. Let us not make more the world chaotic. Let us instead play our part, play our role in the society. Especially you students, grade 8. You don't need to burden too much. I am doing this tutorial in coaching to lighten up your load and to prepare you and to ensure that education must go on. As an educator, as an educationist, it is my part, it is my role to ensure that you students, wherever you are in the world, you must always be ready for the future, for your future. Okay? So, play your part, self-discipline. You must perform your part as well. You must perform your role. And you are a student. If you are in the house, don't waste your time. You must do something that will also lift up your spirit. Okay? Do not do any unnecessary and unacceptable action. Stay in the house and be productive. Continue your studies. Do so many school work. Okay? So, I hope that we all have the common understanding so that we prepare you for your better education, even if we are now having a different situation. So, to all the students, be positive all the time, okay? And I know that you can do something about it. All right. So, this is Mr. Deli Shoes. Now, take note. Please do this 10 questions activity, and we are going to check that one in our third video. Our third video on the algebra is evaluating algebraic expression. And I will be expecting you to be there with me once again. Remember that this is just the beginning of our journey together, especially for the Papua New Guinean grade 8 students. Before you are going to sit for your national examination, this tutorial is for you. This is for your own good. And I am doing this because I want you to follow and to still stick to your goal in life. Whatever dreams you want to pursue in the future, okay? Remember that mathematics is one of the foundation or the fundamentals of a formal education. So, you have to really do something to excel in mathematics. All right? So, with my expertise in mathematics, statistics, science, and physics, I am here to assist you. I am here to help you. Okay? Now, to the parents, please let us collaborate, let us work together, and make sure that the students are also assisted, and that you are also be there to make sure that they are doing the work that they are supposed to be doing. Okay? Let us work together, parents, and this is also for you to lighten up your supervision to your children when they are at home. especially for these 4 weeks of isolation in Papua New Guinea. And in the Philippines, I know that the schooling there is more on virtual lesson. So I hope you also encounter my YouTube channel, Mr. Deli Shoes. And please comment below if you have any topic that you want me to present later. Please comment below, and anything that you want to say something, please comment below, and please be constructive, no hate, only love and kindness. Okay, and I think that's all. And I'm going to see you again in our next video on the topic evaluating of algebraic expression. Thank you so much. Thank you, my One Talks, my students in Papua New Guinea. Maraming salamat po mga kababayan ko sa Pilipinas. Daghang salamat, Bisaya man ako. Daghang salamat, tanan, akong mga higala diha sa akong lugar. Okay? Thank you so much, and thank you all for your for collaborating with me. I am just doing this because I want to reach you out. I want to help you. Okay? This is my personal outreach. Thank you, and bye, and take care. Please stay safe and follow the COVID-19 protocols and protect your family and the community from the disease. Bye.